Hi everyone, here's a bit of a short video just to show the process steps I went through to make this Dreamcatcher painting. It doesn't show everything, but I hope in some way it will help you out. So it was in the original pour that I actually did some feather string pulls, and that's what kind of had me going forward because I saw it as a dream catcher. So in the circle there, that's where you see some of the original feathers sort of peeking through. Okay, so to make the feathers, the canvas is dry, and for each feather, I start with a puddle of white, sort of in a long rectangular sort of shape. I just squirted it onto the canvas in a sort of rectangle shape, and then, like everybody else does string pulls for feathers, I colored my string and laid it down into the puddle of white paint that I had on the canvas, and I just did a string pull, and then I reshaped my feathers to make them a little less perfect and a little kind of haphazard, just because I like it that way. The crackle paste around the circle is chroma crackle, and it's so awesome. It dries in this little pattern, really wild patterns it dries in, and the string that I sort of tied around the feathers at the top, that is the Pebeo liners, it's called. I think they're in a little tube, and you draw with it, and it dries sort of 3D and dimensional like that. So I think those are all the products I used, and I hope that helps, and have a go at making these feathers. Thanks for watching.